Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of reasoning skills, those essential abilities that help us make sense of information, solve problems, and make better decisions every day. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone looking to sharpen your mind, improving your reasoning skills can open up new opportunities and make life's challenges easier to tackle. In this video, we'll explore practical steps, daily habits, and proven techniques to help you boost your logical thinking. Let's get started on this journey to clearer, more effective reasoning. Reasoning is the process of thinking logically and making sense of facts and ideas. It's about connecting the dots, drawing conclusions, and making judgments based on evidence. There are different types of reasoning, like deductive, inductive, and abductive reasoning, each with its own strengths. Understanding what reasoning is helps us recognize when and how we use it in our daily lives, from simple choices to complex problem solving. By becoming aware of our reasoning processes, we can start to improve them step by step. Strong reasoning skills are crucial in almost every area of life. They help us analyze situations, avoid mistakes, and make better decisions. Whether you're working on a project, debating a topic, or planning your day, reasoning helps you weigh options and foresee outcomes. People with good reasoning skills are often more confident, persuasive, and successful in their personal and professional lives. That's why investing time in improving your reasoning is always worthwhile. Let's briefly look at the main types of reasoning. Deductive reasoning starts with a general statement and moves to a specific conclusion. Inductive reasoning works the other way, drawing general conclusions from specific examples. Abductive reasoning involves making the best possible explanation from incomplete information. Knowing these types helps you choose the right approach for different problems and situations. Curiosity is the foundation of strong reasoning. When you're curious, you naturally ask questions and seek to understand how things work. This habit encourages you to look deeper, challenge assumptions, and explore new ideas. Make it a point to ask why and how in your daily life. The more questions you ask, the more you train your brain to think critically and reason effectively. Active listening is more than just hearing words, it's about understanding the meaning behind them. When you listen carefully, you catch details, notice patterns, and spot inconsistencies. This skill helps you gather accurate information, which is essential for sound reasoning. Practice focusing fully on the speaker, asking clarifying questions, and summarizing what you've heard. Over time, your reasoning will become sharper and more reliable. Reading exposes you to new ideas, perspectives, and ways of thinking. The more you read, the more you expand your knowledge base, which is crucial for effective reasoning. Try to read a variety of materials, books, articles, essays, and even opposing viewpoints. This habit helps you see issues from different angles and strengthens your ability to analyze and synthesize information. Good reasoning starts with good questions. Don't settle for surface-level answers, dig deeper by asking open-ended questions that encourage discussion and exploration. Questions like what evidence supports this, or are there alternative explanations, help you uncover hidden assumptions and evaluate information more thoroughly. Make questioning a regular part of your thinking process. Analyzing arguments means breaking them down into their basic parts, claims, evidence, and reasoning. Practice identifying the main points supporting facts and the logic connecting them. Look for weaknesses such as unsupported claims or logical fallacies. This habit helps you spot flaws in reasoning, both in your own thinking and in what you hear or read from others. Everyone has biases, mental shortcuts that can cloud our judgment. Being aware of your own biases is a key step in improving reasoning. Watch out for confirmation bias, where you only notice information that supports your views and try to consider opposing evidence. By recognizing and challenging your biases, you make your reasoning more objective and balanced. Problem-solving exercises are a great way to train your reasoning skills. Tackle puzzles, brain teasers, or real-life challenges that require logical thinking. Break problems into smaller steps, consider different solutions, and weigh the pros and cons of each. The more you practice, the more natural and effective your reasoning will become. Mistakes are valuable learning opportunities. When you make an error in reasoning, take time to reflect on what went wrong and why. Did you overlook evidence? Did you jump to conclusions? By analyzing your mistakes, you can avoid repeating them and develop stronger reasoning habits over time. Talking with others is a powerful way to sharpen your reasoning. Engage in thoughtful discussions or debates on various topics. Listen to different viewpoints, defend your ideas with evidence, and be open to changing your mind if new information arises. These conversations challenge your thinking and help you develop more robust reasoning skills. Mind maps are visual tools that help you organize thoughts and see connections between ideas. Start with a central concept and branch out to related topics, facts, and arguments. This technique makes complex information easier to understand and helps you spot patterns or gaps in your reasoning. Logic games and puzzles like Sudoku or chess are excellent for exercising your reasoning muscles. They require you to think ahead, recognize patterns, and make strategic decisions. Regularly playing these games can improve your ability to reason logically and solve problems efficiently. When faced with a complex problem, break it into smaller, manageable parts. Analyze each part separately before putting everything together. This approach prevents you from feeling overwhelmed and helps you reason through each step logically, leading to better solutions. A reasoning journal is a personal log where you record your thoughts, decisions, and the reasoning behind them. Writing things down helps you clarify your thinking, spot patterns, and track your progress. Over time, you'll notice improvements in how you approach problems and make decisions. Getting feedback from others is a great way to improve your reasoning. Share your thought process with friends, mentors, or colleagues and ask for their input. They might spot flaws or offer new perspectives you hadn't considered. Constructive feedback helps you refine your reasoning and avoid repeating mistakes. It's easy to stick with what you already believe, but challenging your own ideas is essential for growth. Regularly question your assumptions and seek out information that contradicts your views. This habit keeps your reasoning flexible and helps you avoid narrow-minded thinking. Logical fallacies are common errors in reasoning that can weaken arguments. Learn to recognize fallacies like ad hominem attacks, false dilemmas, or slippery slopes. Understanding these pitfalls helps you avoid them in your own thinking and spot them in others' arguments. Base your conclusions on solid evidence, not just opinions or assumptions. Always ask, "What proof do I have?" and look for reliable sources. Evidence-based thinking makes your reasoning more credible and helps you make better decisions in any situation. Take time to reflect on your reasoning processes. After making a decision or solving a problem, ask yourself what worked well and what could be improved. Regular reflection helps you identify strengths and areas for growth, making your reasoning sharper over time. Exposure to different viewpoints broadens your thinking and challenges your assumptions. Seek out conversations with people from various backgrounds, cultures, or fields. This diversity helps you see issues from multiple angles and develop more balanced, well-rounded reasoning. Keeping up with current events and new developments in your areas of interest provides fresh material for reasoning. Stay informed by reading news, following experts, and exploring new research. The more you know, the better equipped you are to reason through complex issues. Reasoning isn't just about logic, it's also about understanding emotions, both your own and others. Emotional intelligence helps you interpret situations accurately and respond thoughtfully. Practice empathy, self-awareness, and emotional regulation to make your reasoning more effective and compassionate. Sometimes, stepping away from a problem gives your mind a chance to rest and reset. Taking breaks can lead to fresh insights and prevent mental fatigue. When you return, you'll often see solutions or connections you missed before. Make regular breaks a part of your reasoning routine. Analogies help you understand new concepts by relating them to familiar ideas. When faced with a complex issue, try to find a similar situation you already understand. This technique makes abstract ideas more concrete and easier to reason through. Visualization is a powerful reasoning tool. Draw diagrams, charts, or timelines to map out problems and solutions. Seeing information visually can reveal patterns and relationships you might miss with words alone. Use visuals to clarify your thinking and communicate ideas more effectively. Organized thinking leads to better reasoning. Keep your notes, ideas, and research well structured, whether you use digital tools or paper. An organized approach helps you track your progress, spot gaps, and build stronger arguments. Mindfulness means paying attention to your thoughts and feelings in the present moment. This awareness helps you catch automatic reactions and make more deliberate, reasoned choices. Practice mindfulness through meditation or simple breathing exercises to keep your reasoning clear and focused. Setting specific goals for your reasoning skills gives you direction and motivation. Decide what you want to improve, like analyzing arguments or avoiding biases, and track your progress over time. Clear goals help you stay focused and measure your growth. Checklists are simple tools that help you remember important steps in your reasoning process. Create a checklist for analyzing arguments, evaluating evidence, or making decisions. This habit ensures you don't overlook key points and keeps your reasoning consistent. Not every question has a clear answer, and that's okay. Embracing uncertainty means being comfortable with ambiguity and open to changing your mind as new information appears. This mindset keeps your reasoning flexible and adaptive. Experts in any field have honed their reasoning skills through years of practice. Study their methods, read their work, and observe how they approach problems. Learning from experts can inspire you and provide valuable techniques to improve your own reasoning. Improving reasoning skills is a gradual process. Don't expect instant results. Be patient with yourself as you practice and learn. Celebrate small improvements and keep pushing forward. Over time, your efforts will pay off in clearer, more effective thinking. The best way to improve reasoning is to use it every day. Apply logical thinking to everyday decisions, from planning your schedule to evaluating news stories. The more you practice, the more natural and automatic good reasoning becomes. Teaching is a powerful way to reinforce your own reasoning skills. Explain concepts, share techniques, or help others solve problems. Teaching forces you to clarify your thinking and often reveals gaps in your understanding, leading to deeper learning. Never stop being curious. Curiosity drives you to ask questions, seek new knowledge, and challenge your own thinking. A curious mind is always learning, growing, and improving its reasoning abilities. Reasoning isn't just about strict logic. Creativity plays a big role too. Creative thinking helps you see connections others might miss and come up with innovative solutions. Balance logical analysis with creative brainstorming for the best results. Technology offers many tools for improving reasoning, from educational apps to online courses and forums. Use these resources to practice, learn, and connect with others. Just remember to think critically about the information you find online. Physical health supports mental performance. Get enough sleep, eat nutritious food, and exercise regularly. A healthy body provides the energy and focus needed for effective reasoning and clear thinking. Recognize and celebrate your progress as your reasoning skills improve. Take pride in small victories like solving a tough problem or spotting a logical fallacy. Celebrating progress keeps you motivated and reinforces positive habits. Regularly review your reasoning strategies and revise them as needed. What worked well? What could be improved? This ongoing process ensures you keep growing and adapting your reasoning skills to new challenges. A positive attitude makes learning and improvement much easier. Stay optimistic about your ability to grow and overcome obstacles. With the right mindset, you'll find it easier to persist and succeed in building strong reasoning skills. Proving your reasoning skills is a lifelong journey, but every step you take brings you closer to clearer, more effective thinking. By practicing curiosity, analyzing arguments, seeking feedback, and embracing new challenges, you'll continue to grow. Remember, reasoning is a skill anyone can develop with patience and practice. Keep learning, stay curious, and enjoy the process of becoming a better thinker.